Art and Fair Festival.
The next one up, where I said either one.
It's in here. Go over on the sidewalk. Get up on the sidewalk. Come on, Trev, hurry. Get up there. Are you the Laguna Sheriff?
No.
No?
I'm a chauffeur, though. So if you need a
chauffeur.
limousine, you can call.
How about the cellular?
That's pretty nice. Even makes noise.
It's $3, yeah.
Working hard, I say. Billy here. Kid's got a call.
Yeah, and he doesn't even know anybody.
Billy here. What do you want?
I'd almost say that they
Look at this stuff.
What's great about my work is that I can really use and explore both of those
to its complete max.
What sunshine?
They would have me put their films on the marquee. Oh!
What are you calling? What is that of?
That's where we walked.
Oh yeah.
By Las Brisas. We went down over here, and that's where Cindy walked along the rose garden.
Right.
There's the swings, basketball
Right.
court.
You want it? Yeah. Yeah. Look at this old man. $72,000.
$18,000.
Oh, that's not bad. Pretty intricate looking, isn't he?
Yeah.
Huh? Read it close up. Icarus and Daedalus.
Probably the teacher.
Well, they made wings. Forget, Icarus wanted to fly up to the sun. Daedalus said, no, go, it'll melt your wings. And he kept flying closer and closer to the sun. Yeah, no, it's a whole story. So his wings melted and he fell and died.
If you wait here for a moment, I will give you the card of the artist. His work you just took film of so that you know whose it is when you get home.
The what?
The gentleman that did the work, his work you just filmed,
Oh
I'll
yeah.
be happy to give you a card so that you can identify it when you get home and you know whose art you filmed.
Looks like my brother's work. You can even tell me on video.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Do you have any more on the polo? Yeah, the one on the right is smaller, huh?
Actually, if you'd like to film anyway, the gentleman's good to work.
Oh, that is.
It looks like a brother.
Oh, he's younger than my brother.
Cousin John called. We're gonna get up
Well, drizzle rain.
Yeah, but we had rain.
Add 1 cup of beans, 2 cups of water,
Those are beans, huh? I thought it was sand.
sand would scratch the jewelry. So
But
beans
they're in
are
jewelry boxes.
soft.
In jewelry
Oh, a
boxes.
lot of times we put it out like, see the bracelets.
In the sand, huh?
I really do.
You sound like your mom when you say that.
Okay, right now we're just dealing with the Laguna Sawdust and volunteering, but we're trying to get it going something.
Well, I told her I was out because she said whenever I could.
It was rough, but I came out.
Got you smiling.
Louis Smile is going on video.
Yeah, see, no, this is from my brother-in-law. I said everybody has a good time down here at the Sawdust
Oh, we had a
Festival.
great time.
This one is 39 and the short one is 35.
Denise, there's a magic show going to be starting right here. Tell Rosemary. Rosemary, there's going to be a magic show.
I don't like
Spencer, ask her to move over. Yeah.
Test, test, test. Okay. Pushing 1, 2. Hello. Works pretty good. I play request. We're just going to wait a few minutes, make sure everyone, they just made the announcement. Time to get up here.
Can you wiggle this thing?
There's a pre-show before we start the show. What's your name? Lindsay? Okay. Is that my hand? Huh? No, I'm just gonna let that. Be fair, you hold on to that, okay? Don't lose it. What'd you do with it?
Oh, weird.
Alright. Give her a nice hand. Hey! Well, are we ready to start the show? That wasn't very enthusiastic. Are we ready to start the show? All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's a hot, humid day, but what we're going to do right now is we're going to make everyone on the other side of the Sawdust Festival wish they were over here. So on the count of 3, yell, applause, scream. Hey, just pretend like you're having a good time. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're having fun and you're not. Okay. Well, my name is Dana Daniels, and welcome here to the Sawdust Festival, the Festival of Arts in here at Laguna Beach. And let's give a nice round of applause to my friend and partner, Luigi. Luigi. And together, ladies and gentlemen, we perform magic. And it goes right down here. Okay. Thank you. All right, now.
You want to see the droppings?
What's that?
You want to see the droppings now?
You're sick. You're really sick. Okay.
Hold up the paper.
Ladies and gentlemen, I discovered that Luigi here is actually a psychic bird. How many people here believe in ESP? Raise your hand. Perfect. Well, Mac's going to do really great today. How many believe in telekinesis? Raise my hand. How many didn't get that joke? Raise your hand. Okay. That's great. We have here, I'm going to demonstrate, well, before we do this, I'll demonstrate he is a psychic bird. I have some cards here. What is your name, sir? Rick. Rick. He says you're right. Okay, now, Rick, I'll go through the cards one at a time. You say stop, and that will be your card. Stop. Remember that card? Remember that card, Rick? I won't look at it. I'll have Luigi, the psychic bird, look at and study your card. You will memorize it. Okay, let's look at Rick's card, all right, Luigi? Look at it. Yep. Rick's card. He's going to look at your card, Rick, and he's going to memorize it, remember everything about the card. Oops, sorry, Lee. Maybe not today. Well, forget about that trick, Rick. Maybe I'll go back to the trick I was going to do. That was the old rope trick. Right here. Think piece of rope, kind of right down here, right down the center. So what you do is take the two pieces of rope and you tie them together with a knot. And then the next thing you're going to need is a bird. Unfortunately, I have one right over here. You have the bird concentrate on the knots. Concentrate, Luigi. And you actually believe that the rope is back together again in one piece, just like that. There we go. Very good. All right. Hey, Rick, the little souvenir for you. Got bird spit on it. Careful. Don't put that away. I know. I said Luigi was a psychic bird. I'm going to prove it. I'll actually have him read someone's mind from the audience. I need someone from the audience to come up here, someone that has a mind. And, what? Wait, you don't know? How about you right here? Give her a nice round of applause. Come on up here on stage. Come on. Stand right over here. And what is your name? Trishette. Trishette? Trisha. Trisha. And where are you from? Hawaii? Hawaii. Where? Good place to be from. We have some cars. Oh, is that a movie camera?
No.
He's just imagining it.
They hate that.
Oh, it takes
I have
stills.
some cards right here. Oh, wait, hey. They squeak, too. Give it a try. It's kind of fun. Just push on it. No. Right there. Kind of. Works better if you have one of these, Trisha. All right, I'm going to rip my thumb through the cards. You say stop anywhere along the way, and that will be your card, all right? I'll show you. They're all different. Okay, here we go. Right there. Go ahead. Take the card to stop that, please. Look at it. Remember what it is. Make sure Luigi, the psychic bird, does not see the card. I'd like you to hold the card up and show the entire audience. Make sure the entire audience sees it. Okay. All right. Now place it back anywhere inside the deck. Not there. Anywhere. No. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Anywhere. We'll turn Luigi around. Think of your card over and over again. Ladies and gentlemen, watch this. Now as Luigi dives down and locates the card she selected. There they are, Luigi. Look them over. Find her card. Which one? That one right there. He made the selection. What was your card? Queen of Spades. Luigi picked the Eight of Hearts. Pretty darn close. It's a bird. I don't know what happened. Let's see. What the heck happened? You know what? I think I used the wrong deck of cards. This is my deck. I should have used Luigi's deck. Forgive me. I'll try it again. We'll use Luigi's deck right here. Forget about, what was it? You picked the Queen of Spades? Forget about the Queen of Spades. Well, look at that. Well, I don't like those cards. Well, I'll tell you what they are. Okay, these are worms, all right? These are things he can identify with, and these are worms. We also have a cracker. Got a cat in jail. Alright. Sort of a fantasy card for him. And a car windshield. Alright. It's a bird. I'll hold them up one at a time. You say stop, and that will be your selection. Right there. Remember that card? Everyone else remember? Remember. Okay, good. He has no idea what card it is or where it's located. All right, Luigi, if any one of these four cards, your free selection, pick any one you like, Luigi. Any one you like. Come on, I know. Oh, he kind of likes that third one right there. What was on the card you selected? The cracker. I'm sorry, you're wrong. It wasn't the cracker, it was the Queen of Spades, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. The Queen of Spades. And give her a nice round of applause for coming up here. Wow. Real magic. Hey, and just for helping us out, we have a lovely parting gift for you. It's a Denny's travel directory. So you're welcome. Hey, sorry, you have to get on stage to get the big prizes. So, oh boy. Hey, so you don't feel too bad. Here we go. Here's a little moist towelette for you, all right? Actually, it's pretty nice today. I tell you what. There we go. A little balloon aerobics here. Oh, us magicians get our large muscles. Sort of like the thigh master for magicians. Because I work with balloons, don't think I'm a clown. I hate clowns. But we need clowns in this world because they set the fashion statement for golfers. Stretch your mouth, easy to blow up. You know, it works every time. Hey, you blow it up. Ow! Oh, no, not every time. There we go. I'll blow it up just like that. Tie a knot. Very important, tie a knot. The same reason why a doctor ties a knot in the belly button of a baby, so the little baby doesn't go. All right. That's what we're going to do. Name any animal in the world, and I'll shape it out as a balloon for you. Or you can name any balloon in the world, and I'll shape it out as an animal for you. So, a giraffe. I can do it behind my back without looking. There we go, a giraffe. I make 36 different kinds of animals. They all look like this. Wow, she does tricks though. Sit up. Speak. Play dead. There we go. All right. Stay. Here goes Sarah souvenir number 3, I think it is for you. I'm not really sure. Yeah, we got 3 of them there for you. He's giving them to his kid. All right. That's good. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. A classic of magic. A classic of magic. Oh! No. Oh, I'll get it. Oh, sorry. I'll do the old back whale, then over and pick it up. There we go, a rabbit from the hat. Look, a hair. That wasn't it. We have one top hat and the age-old classic Chinese die box. Well, I think it's Chinese. Well, at least we got dragons on here. These are the things like Kung Fu used to have on the wrist, I think. Anyways, what the trick is, I place the die inside the box. It magically disappears from the box. It floats through the air inside to the hat, just like that. It's amazing. You want to see it? Okay, remember, it starts off with the die inside the box. Then it disappears from the box and floats through the air into the hat. Here we go. First of all, they make it vanish from the box. Now you see it's disappeared completely from the box. It's floating through the air into the hat. Yes, I see it now. And now it's going to float back from the hat back to the box. What's that? Shut up. All right. Now I should do one more time. As it vanishes from the box, floats. Excuse me. Down here. Jeez. Man, they're picky, aren't they? I show you both sides, just like that. I show you that it is empty. At the same time. No problem. Yep, empty. All right. Hey, I can do this all day. Actually, I can show you both sides are empty. Yes, it disappeared. Went over here. Right into the hat. Oh, that always shuts them up, you know? Yes, I love that trick. Let's try using something borrowed from the audience for this next one. Let's see. Well, we always like to pick on a guy for this one. What's your name, sir? Lamano. Oh, Lamano? Good name. Italian? Italian. Oh, you reach inside your wallet, your money clip, wherever you keep the big bucks, give me the largest bill you have. This is a money trick. You'll like it. Trust me. The larger the bill, the funnier the trick. You know, like 100. Or 50. Or 20. Whoa, he does have a 50. Okay, if we can borrow the 50, I'll show you a great trick with it. If you can catch me. All right, now here we go. There it is, $50. Very funny, $50. All right. How long has this been in your wallet, man? President Grant, or Grant, he wasn't a president, but he's going, whoa, life. Then we're going to do, we are going to take this $50 bill, we are going to do a miracle with it. I'm going to need your help on this one, Romano. Come on, give him a nice round of applause to bring him up here. Come on up here on the stage. Hi. Right over here, sir. Right over here. Turn around. Where are you from, sir? All the way from Italy? Really? Really? Just came to the Sawdust Festival. What do you do, sir? You travel. You travel. I guess that's why you're here, huh? Sensational. All the way from, he's a real Italian here. Romano. Sounds like a magician himself. Romano. We are going to have you hold on to your money. Keep it right here in view at all times. Here's a felt pen. I like you to take the felt pen, write your initials across the front or the back of that $20 bill. Right there in your hand. It doesn't matter what you see it. Yeah, some of these tricks are just for me. All right. Okay, there's a B on there. B for Romano. I'm just kidding. There's a R on there. We're going to take the $50 bill. You didn't have any lira on you, did you? No, good. I don't think I can do a trick of that one. Yeah. We're going to take your $50 bill. We're going to fold it up like this. We're going to place it safely inside a protective envelope right here. I need to see your left hand, thumb and forefinger, Romano. Oh, here, left hand. Just like that. Hold on the envelope. Don't move it. What's going to happen is we are going to increase the value of your money. Perhaps change it into a $100 bill. Would you like that? All right, lower your hand a little bit. You're blocking the view of me. All right, we are going to use a special device I have right here. It's a magic gun. This is going to suck the valuable thoughts from Luigi's head. All right, Luigi, concentrate. Luigi is concentrating. The gun is sucking. There we go. Oh, I think I took too much. All right, now we just shoot those valuable thoughts right there into your $50 bill, and now I can open it up, count it out into your hand. You're going to see that your $50 bill, let's transform it. Oh, birdseed. Birdseed. Bummer. Yeah. Start the car. Don't spill, they're expensive now. Here's $1. You know, probably happened. I think he was a little nervous. Can we try it again? We'll try it again, okay?
Okay, got another 50?
Give me another 50, that's right. All right. You know what probably happened? I think he's Luigi. You know, he's a fellow Italian here, although he's from Mexico. But his name's Luigi. That's the important thing. Romano, I tell you what we do. He's not used to other people. So how about we just make him comfortable? I don't wear a hat and glasses. Could you take off your hat and your glasses real quick there? There you go. And the hat too. That's what I'll just stick them right down here just for a second. Because this would really help him too, right here. Oh God. There we go. Just we have to be fair. Okay. Okay, now we have to concentrate. All right, concentrate. When we get the gun back over here, and back over here to Luigi. All right, Luigi. Wow, there we go. Boy, that must have hurt. Okay, Romano, it's your turn. Oh no. Say what we'll do. We'll take this bowl right here. We'll take Luigi's egg. We're going to crack it open and move the contents out of the egg. I'll take this from you. Dump the seeds in the bowl. Take what came out of the egg right there. I don't want to touch it. Okay, unfold it. Right there you'll see those gentlemen, the same $50 bill inside the egg. All right, and there you go. There's your hat and there's your glasses, and give them a nice round of applause for coming up here. Thanks a lot. Oh, yuck. There you go, the souvenir 4. Hey, did you have a good time? Yeah. Well, thanks a lot. I'm Nina Daniels. This is Luigi. If you enjoyed the show, please let me know. I have a hat right up here, and we kindly take donations. I do this for a living. Thanks a lot for coming to the Sawdust Festival, everyone. Bye-bye.
The button.
Save the canyon.
We're trying.
Yeah, what happened 3 years ago? I thought they went through with all the proposals and everything.
What they did is
Finished.
we convinced the Irvine Company that they should sell us the land that they wanted to develop. So we've got 5 years to raise $78 million to buy the land. Now in the meantime, they want to build a toll road that just cuts right through the open space. So we're busy battling. Hi, Olivia.
They want to sell you more land is what they want to do, right?
They're not going to sell us this part. They want to build that. They want to build the toll road.
Uh-huh.
So we've been fighting with them in court and everywhere else.
Well, good luck.
Thanks a lot.
Just on the other side.
Hi. Oh, I was being
She's
silly.
from Las Vegas.
She is.
Yeah, originally.
I grew up there. I was Miss Nevada.
Well, the only thing
I was
we were
Miss
looking
Las
at is something
Vegas.
that
My,
we could get really
She's like, my mom and dad bought a wooden plate.
That's a water crock. That'll fit a 5-gallon water container similar to that over there. Or you can just use it as a like a sangria, lemonade, iced tea out in the patio. as heavy lift. No, well, I make them a little bit thicker maybe than some of the potters, but I'm
Pretty. They're pretty.
How about the vase with the bullet through it? Check this out. He's got one that he put a... There's one with the screw through it, but he's got one with a bullet through it.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Thought that was cool.
Yeah, that is cool. That's neat.
Too bizarre.
Not any tools out here at all.
Well, I was wondering if
Might take it to either David Nelson or...
Okay, no, Dave, yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll go there.
Or Hershey bar every time we visit, right?
Listen, I want to come back in. I want to just put this in.
Yeah, just get a stamp from me.
Okay. Who's got the stamp?
5 minutes, right? I do.
Okay.
40 minutes.